Hello. Welcome back to, the carrot. Today, we are going to be showing you how to make a factual answer / statement. First tip is to, add a did you know question at the start. First, did you know? Look. Yeah, the crystal hive can glow any color. Spell it COLOUR or COLOR. Either way, people will know its color. I'm using COLOUR. Our.
Are you actually English, huh?
Yeah, but you're Americans. Make sure you can use just like this. Now, just since it's a question, we add a question mark at the end, which looks like this. Now we just add now we need to add a simple statement in the middle. Let's just capitalize these since it's a noun. So, let's go mind return. Now we need to add an exclamation, which ends in like one of these. This thing. It looks like an eye, but upside down. 50% of intruders have been scared by it. Yeah. That's how to make a factual statement. I hope you enjoyed this video. But for now, goodbye.